Hello guys, welcome back to day 26 of our 30 days React 0 to Hero series. And in this video, we will learn about React Router DOM. Let's get started. So for this, we will need to install one package called npm install React Router DOM. Let's install this. I'll start the project now. Now, let's clear the app component. Here, I'll be using BrowserRouter, which is from React Router DOM. Here I'm importing this. Inside this, now I'll be calling this navigation component like this. Here I will remove all the anchor tags. Here I'll be using link tag from our React Router DOM. So as you can see, I have imported this link tag from React Router DOM. So these link tags works as a button. So I'll be passing the information like link for home, then I'll copy the same and link for about and link for a contact like this. Also we need to give two attribute. So here I have given slash for our home link, slash about for our about link, and slash contact for our contact link. Let's see on our front end. So as you can see, whenever I am clicking on any of our link, the browser path is getting updated like this. Now inside the app component, I'll be using routes from React Router DOM. I have imported this. Inside this route, I'll be creating single route like this. I'll import this. It is from React Router DOM. So for this route, we need to pass the path and the element. So path denotes the path of the page and element denotes the component or page where we want to redirect. So currently we have created 3 routes for our 3 pages: home, about and contact. Now let's see on our front end. I'll refresh the page. So as you can see, we are on our home page. So that's why it is showing home page. Whenever I'm clicking about page, the browser route got updated to about page, and here also we can see we are on about page. Whenever I'm clicking on contact page, browser route is getting updated and we are on a contact page. Also notice one thing, in element section we can see whenever I'm changing the path, the whole browser page is not getting updated. Here also you can see on this loading button, whenever I'm changing the path, only path is getting updated but whole page is not getting refreshed. So that is the beauty of using React Router DOM. Only required component or only required part is getting updated instead of re-rendering whole real DOM. And that's it for today's video guys. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.